Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making ginger garlic paste that can last for months. The first thing I'm doing here is to fry the garlic so that it will be very easy to peel. You can use air fryer. I have air fryer, but I just don't feel like using it today. So you can see that it is very easy to peel, right? Yeah. So I'm done with the garlic here. You can see how clean and neat it is. Don't mind the burnt parts. So here I'm trying to wash. I've already washed the ginger, so I'm just peeling it. It shouldn't be too. It's okay if it's not too clean. I mean the scraping part. I guess it's medicinal. So I'm actually cutting this because my blender is not so strong, so that it will be able to blend it well. That's why I'm making sure I'm cutting it into tiny pieces. You can just do your own into bigger chunks if you have a very strong blender. So here I'm trying to use the smaller part of the blender blade or whatever. I could have used the bigger cup, but I feel like it will not blend it as smooth as I want. So it depends on the kind of blender you use. If yours can make it very smooth, it's fine. So this is, I'm adding oil. You don't have to add water. Don't add water at all, just oil. Then you start blending. You don't want to tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Here we go, turning all around. You can see how smooth it is and the consistency. The consistency depends on the amount of oil that you had. I added a lot of oil because I wanted it to blend on time. I didn't want to waste my time, so that was why I added a lot of oil. You continue to blend until you are done. So when you are done, you pack into your container and store in your freezer. When you store in your freezer, it will last for as long as 6 months. When you want to use it, you just bring it out and use. Thanks for watching, guys. Please share, comment and like.